In this video, we're talking about whether building a mobile kitchen unit to stand out on remodel jobs is a smart move or just a total waste of time. So, if you're thinking about creating a mobile kitchen unit, here's the deal. First off, it's all about flexibility. Having a kitchen that you can roll up to any job site means you're ready to go without relying on the client's space, which can sometimes be a mess or just not set up right. Make sure your unit is compact but still functional, because nobody wants to squeeze into a tiny setup that slows the work down. Use durable, weather-resistant materials since you're going to be moving it around and dealing with outdoor conditions often. Also, invest in good wheels or a trailer system that makes moving it smooth. Trust me, dragging a heavy unit is no fun. Keep your tools organized inside so you're not wasting time searching for stuff mid-project. Don't forget to have power options sorted, whether that's battery packs or generators, so you're not hunting for outlets. And it's smart to think about sanitation and safety. Having easy-to-clean surfaces and proper ventilation will keep your work environment comfy and up to code. Lastly, personalize it with your branding so clients instantly know who you are when you pull up. Standing out is key in this biz. One of the biggest mistakes people make with mobile kitchen units is overcomplicating the design. Too many bells and whistles can slow you down rather than help. Another common issue is underestimating maintenance. If you don't keep the unit clean and in good shape, it quickly becomes more of a hassle than an asset. Lastly, some folks forget about the legal side permits, and regulations can vary by area, so double-check those before rolling out your setup to avoid fines or shutdowns. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid hookup if you're trying to get your work noticed or find reliable contractors nearby. They make it super easy for homeowners to connect with trusted pros, and for contractors like you, it's a great way to scoop up new gigs without the usual headache of hunting them down yourself.